So I'm going to show you an easy way that we found to clean French press. And the worst part, of course, is getting the grounds out. So what you've probably done in the past is used a spoon or a spatula, or maybe even dug in there with your hands, or maybe even just poured the grounds down the toilet or the sink, which you should not do. The other way we started with was with a strainer like this, but then you have to clean the strainer. And what we noticed was we always have a fine mesh strainer in the sink, and I know a lot of people do. This is something you can find at the hardware store. So we have it in the sink all the time. So all you really have to do is remove that part, put a little bit of water in there if there's not some coffee in there already, and simply pour what's in there into that strainer. Now if you have a larger press, you might have to do this twice. Take a paper towel and simply dump the grounds onto the paper towel, and then repeat if necessary. I run a little bit of water down the side just to get those grounds in. Pour again, and that gets almost all the grounds out. Put it into the paper towel, fold up the paper towel, squeeze a little bit to get the water out, and then we have a compost bin right next to the sink. And of course the rest of it, we just leave it in there, clean the French press, and then let the grounds go into the strainer. An easy way to clean this, by the way, is put a little bit of soap in there and then use the plunger to go up and down to clean the rest out. That's it.